Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today, John and I are going to show you how to make homemade peanut butter dog treats with the addition of functional mushrooms. Yeah, I know, these are one of your favorites. Yeah, let us show you how to make them. Today, we're going to show you guys how to make one of John's favorite homemade dog treats. And as you can see, he's really excited about it. We're going to be using a secret ingredient inside this dog treat recipe to give your dog some added health benefits. We're going to be using the 4-leaf Rover 7 Shrooms mushroom blend inside these peanut butter dog treats. If you follow along, then you know that we cook John all of his own homemade food and treats. And so we're a huge fan of 4-leaf Rover because they make amazing products. And today we're using the 7 Shrooms mix, and this is a mix of functional mushrooms for dogs. And the benefit of giving your dog functional mushrooms, kind of similar to humans, is that it's going to boost their immune system and has tons of antioxidants, and it can also help with other things as well. So let us show you how to make these homemade peanut butter dog treats with mushrooms. So all you guys need are a few simple ingredients to make these homemade dog treats. And so we're just going to start off with a mixing bowl and a spatula. We don't need any other tools than that besides a digital food scale, which you'll want to weigh your ingredients for the best results. So the base of these treats is peanut butter because John loves peanut butter. All dogs love peanut butter. So this is going to make these treats taste so delicious. And when you guys are giving peanut butter to your dogs, the best option is going to be an organic peanut butter that has only peanuts and salt. And while you can definitely use peanut butter without salt, you can also use peanut butter with salt because that allows you to buy the same peanut butter for yourself that you do for your dog. And while it's a common misconception that dogs can't have salt, it couldn't be farther from the truth. Dogs actually need salt for their bodies to function just like humans do. But giving your dog too much salt can lead to salt toxicity. So having a little bit of salt in peanut butter that they're having in treat every now and then is totally okay, guys. There are ingredients that you need to completely avoid when giving peanut butter to your dog. The number one being xylitol. That can be in some peanut butters and it's incredibly toxic to dogs. The other ones include added sugars, natural flavors, and seed oils, which are just not good for your dog in general, and they can cause your dog's stomach to become upset. So get the good stuff and make sure to give your dog a little lick of peanut butter while they're helping you make these treats. And then next we're going to add in some honey. Using raw honey is really good for your dog. It's a natural sweetener, so it's gonna make these treats taste delicious. It also has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties, which can help with allergies and other things. So honey is a great thing to give your dog on occasion. Next, we're gonna add in some all-purpose flour. And if your dog is gluten-free, you can replace the all-purpose flour with oat flour. And then we're going to add in some coconut flour. And I'm using wildly organic coconut flour. It's one of my favorite ones out there. It's totally safe for dogs. I love that I can buy it for myself and I can also use it in John's treats as well. And then we're gonna add in some melted coconut oil. I'm using wildly organic coconut oil, which is one of my favorites. It's something I buy for myself, but I can also give it to John as well. So I love that we can share these ingredients because it makes it so convenient. And then last, we're going to add in our 4-leaf Rover 7 Shrooms mushroom blend mix, and this is going to give so many health benefits to these treats for your dogs. And then once you have all the ingredients in your bowl, we're just gonna mix this up with a spatula until a stiff cookie dough forms. And I have someone eyeing me from his lounging area, wondering when his treats are gonna be done. Man, it's so fun to spoil your dog, huh? So once your dough is done, grab a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. I always like to bake dog treats on parchment paper. This ensures that they won't stick to the baking sheet. Then go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. By the time you shape all the treats, your oven will be ready to go. And now you can form or shape these into any size that is best for your dog. But I'm doing about a tablespoon worth of dough, and I'm just gonna form it into a little square, as this is a really good size for John to have a treat, especially if I break it in half and then he gets a few treats. So I'm just forming it into a little square, just like this. You guys could do circles, You guys could even cut these out if you want, but if you know me, then you know I am terrible at cutting out cookies. So I'm just so much faster if I do this. And now these are ready to bake. And now you have organic homemade dog treats that your dog is going to absolutely go nuts for. These also have the addition of functional mushrooms, which is going to give your dog an extra immunity boost. And now you guys have homemade peanut butter dog treats with the addition of functional mushrooms. Don Don loves these. If you guys want more Pug approved recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.